This is the creator of the game. For everyone, the myth. For anyone means and Annie perks up at the merchant of fortune cookie. Oh, I love fortune cookies. You want some? I can whole bag of them. Help me not feel lonely. Help me not feel lonely. I want my people to make world pretty for people, but my mommy hates when I spend too much time building. Please help you finish my creation so more people can enjoy them. Ashes, ashes. They fall down. Okay, guys, this is the other ones. If I forgot to record. This is the real game that everyone is cooking now. I wish. Oh wait, what's this? I wish my mom would stop hitting me. It hurts so much, but she can't stop. It makes me feel sad. Oh, yeah, I gotta invite. He wants me to invite someone. Please don't happy. Why would I do that? Even this guy even say why you ate your dog. What are you talking about? I did not eat my dog. I don't have even a dog. You want to be my dog? These dogs right here, Sophie and Saki, I think they are dogs. So that, and then now Annie saying, no, first cam mode. One left. There's many players. What's this? $5 coins. 50 coins cookie. 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 Hey guys, if you like my place, yeah, I'll save it later. Hi Jasper. Okay. I think I'm friends with the creator. I think so. Nah, I forgot. Yeah. Such that. Okay, bye now. I'll see you next time. Doggies. Oh, dear. You cannot escape Fetatin. Guys, remember Eric is my hero. Who said that? I'm like, who said that? The lights went out my face. I'm scared. You cannot escape. Join. I'm not gonna do that. No. Join team member today. I wish my mom love me like other moms. It's my fault. She's smart all the time. I should exist. So that's why you had the sad face. So that's why it's chicken sandwich. You can have chicken. Mm, mm, is he still here? Yeah. Hiding behind the why does this guy keep saying that? I'm real. Stop calling me fake. Dude, it's real, bro. It's Richie over here. I don't know why my mouse changed. Richie, it's over here. Game creator. Come to my place, please. I'm in the Philippines. I'm in the Philippines. I cannot go there, sorry. Bro, you're lying, chick. Bro, what is this guy? Okay. For and log out of and turn off all message. Okay, just go away, just leave me alone. I don't do it anymore. Okay, my cat Coco. Where did you sit it here? Okay. Sticky up. Okay, there we go. Cookie. Nom nom nom. You cannot escape from that. You keep holding a teddy bear, looking down sadly. But why did you have to keep spamming me, bullying me, and didn't feel stupid? Why did? Okay, I'll see that. Now let's see that. Chicken sandwich, doggies. FF has turned off the game and gone to bed crying softly her blanket. What? Do you ever want to touch Rusty Nails? Remember, guys, the creator said I don't know, cropped in the mouse. Where's my mouse right now? Ring around the rosy. A pocket waterfall use for and is gone. That she built is empty now, overgrown with weeds and broken broken blocks. The sketch figure with those words, but no one even and music and nothing. Something is. Why is this? If you join me, I'm Richard. This is a mobile player, right? Because I cannot use emojis in the mobile. No, I can use it. Behind you. Huh? What is malware? Malware is a virus. Okay. Do you ever touch Rusty Nails? what to say? What is it? Do you like rusty nails earlier? Okay. Guys, remember that Annie was friends with the creator, and then Annie saying, "Do you like rusty nails? Have you tried raw meat?" I think so. Please come back to my place. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna have a hot cocoa here. 7, 6, 6, 7. For anyone is I for anyone I am here but I'm scared. Let's look at my game. Bright butterfly. Can you come protect me? Wait, it's in the game. No. I smell meaty man. Meaty man. Wait. Earlier it was sad. Now it's happy. Go. Now it's happy. It's an original one. By the way, guys, this is my computer account, and the other one is my laptop account. And another chicken sad. Now it's sad again. All systems deleted. This first time seeing a rumor, first time when recording in YouTube. I want to get famous. So I can get 1K. Guys, I will find a new one also. I will find. Wait. There's another Annie? Wait. Then who is this? Then who is this? Is this a fake one or is this a fake one? Okay, this one's the real one. The R6 one. That's the R part 5. I don't know why it paused. I don't know. This is the final video. Hi, what up to? I will edit, don't worry, so it will be a one video. Okay? So it will be a full one video. I left the game. Do not leave the game. I like the game. Ashes, another one. People get down. It's hot in here. Okay, that's meant question mark. What's Hi everyone, I'm currently at this game. Dude, how many players are actually here? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 players, okay. Is it an update from the game or meeting only? Yeah, I think it's meeting only. Definitely meeting, no? Sigma boy! No, so hot. Sigma boy. my boy. Good was a Saturday, my boy. Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. My boy, sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. Good was a Saturday, my boy. For anyone, please help. Okay. I already invited everyone. They're not going here. I don't know why. Wait. Chaos. So that's why there's many girls over here. Because this is a... is this girl lagging? I don't know. I think I'm lagging. Yeah, just look at my ping. It's virtually connected to my Wi-Fi. She's not in the friend list. What do you mean? He's on the friend list. What the heck? It's a signal. I don't know why. He's on the leaderboard. Tab. Hello, Tab. God, dude, I gotta check it over here. There's no leaderboards. I don't see it. There's no leaderboards. Look, just go. I think that's not allowed into my... Yeah, I'm changing my account. You can just talk to English. Okay, okay, this is chaos. He's happy again. It's happy and then after that sad. Happy. I'm very sick today and you make me smile. No. 41 cookies for everyone. Don't ask me, I just work. Is this a cookie though? Is this a cookie? Those who seek advice from cookies may need advice. Wait, huh? Reloading. Those who seek... It's again. What is this? What? Guys, what is this? Okay, listen to fortune cookie. Disregard. Message, hi everyone. Can you please like and favorite the game? I'm 6. Starboy. Stop saying that. Stop saying 6. Okay, I'm joking. You can. 6, 7. Oh, this is 6, 7, 41. Yes, stop saying 6, 7. So many fans for real. Did I Richie invited everyone? Annie, if you're seeing this, look. Dude. Okay, never mind this. This is my main account. I'm using it. This is the phone. It's shaking. Now it's not singing around the world. What's your dog name? The dog name, do you see? You will play Cece. Currently, look at my HP, guys. Oh wait, that's memory. What the heck? Go to the pin. There you go. I'm trying to the Chinese. What is? What did you just see? What does he want to see with it? What is it? Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. Because it's just a thing, a boy. Sing a sing boy, sing boy, sing my boy. Because this is a thing. Sing my boy, sing my boy. Sing my boy, good to see. Okay, there's so many. I don't know. Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. Message he and okay, bruh. Num num num. For anyone, want more people. I'm 6. Starboy, why? Why the heck do you? I don't know what happened to my mouse. There you go. That's better. Dude, so many eagles at the heck dude, the damn eagles, get out. Oh, somebody get a friend request. Accept. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma boy, oi. Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma. Sigma, 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 Sigma. Sigma. I am looking late again because movements for a lot of words. 6 block tools. Wait, did I have block tools? I want those. I want to be an admin. With John Doe. Come on. Okay, good. This is a long video. That was a lot of fun. Yeah. Ooh, cookies. Yeah. Where's 4 and 1? Oh, there it is. Spy mode. Somebody's hacking. Somebody's flying. How's we're flying? Yeah, yeah. 11 years old. 11 years old. Bro is more. Bro, he is more. She is more. He's more older than me. Why? Do you ever want to touch Rusty? He touched his sad face. Did I don't have robots? I don't have robots. I only had 14. Doggies. What? Said doggies. School emoji. Sigma, boy. Just never mind the time. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Just kidding. Wait, what? Ashes. That he are not. Ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah, ooh ee ah, ooh ee ah, ooh ee ah. Baby. Oh no. Did I die? Oh no, not again, dude. Ooh, not again. Dude, that was literally resetting the button. Oh no. Okay, yeah, that, okay. Dude, I don't see anything. Okay, there you go. What? My mom kicked you down on the stairs. I'm a waste of space. You should disappear. What do you? Bang. It's my computer. A pocket. This is a really guys. This is the game. Guys, I will just show you. Don't worry, I'll join the game again. Join the game. This is the game. Burn and the description is burning. Yeah, it's just burning, and this is the career. Dude, so many career. Okay, this I joined. For and then one. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna join again. Ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee, ooh ee ah ee. I'm in the right server, yay! Oh, no way! I'm ready to accept. Wait a second. 4 and 1. Wait, huh? Nothing. It's not. It shows nothing. Refresh. I don't know. Uh-oh. Stinky. Uh-oh. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door, bro. Close the door. What the heck? Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. There you go. Dude, no. Close the door. I said, close the door. Close the door. And there. Bam. There we go. Someone's hacking. Uh-oh, sticky. Uh-oh, sticky. Uh-oh, sticky. We have you in our home. We're forcing arguments and making feeling what they say. Take the make better one day. We're stuff like me. Say boy, say boy, say boy, say boy. Don't put a sister there, boy. Say boy, say boy, say boy, say boy. Because sister, yes, yeah, boy. Say boy, say boy, say boy. Because sister, say boy. Get this sister. Boy, get it. I just invited everyone. It's my boy. Okay, bro. Just go. He closed the door. Close the door. Okay, finally somebody joined my friend. Okay. So what is that? What's for one? With balloons. Uh, what's my balloon? Can I jump? Shift 7. Okay, I'm just the gravity coil. This is the gravity coil. Do you ever want to touch his video? For No, he left me, Mom. Every time I go, but Mom since it was the best to have fun without you anyways. Slash, 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 slash. Yay. Nom. Sing my boy, sing my boy, sing my boy. Boy. Never mind that. It makes my game big. Rodian sat little friend. No, I will. Sing my boy. Boy. Listen to your voice, boy. Never mind that. Because it was sticky cheese. Okay, we already know. Why did it go back? It's a floating rant. It's a floating rant. Yes. Look, now it's a floating coil. Floating coil. Now it's going to be a floating. Oh, it's a floating, it's a Barney coil. So this is gonna get caught. Okay.
meron na o mamaya na itong trick or treat. Sir, mamaya na yung trick or treat.
Ayun.
Ayaw mo sumali.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Yan o.
Sigma
Diyan,
boy,
mamaya sa court. Manonood tayo mamaya.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Tune it on the fire. Do 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 do. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Okay. Dude, this looks so good. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Guys, this is the end of the video. See ya. And now this is a new one. There we go. There's so many videos. I don't know why. I'm gonna post so many videos. Okay, not again. Not again. No, I don't touch rusty nails. No. I'm gonna kill. No, 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 no. It's hot in here. Okay, I'll follow you. This is Richard in 2025. How is he still here? He's still here. Or somebody is controlling her account. I don't know. I'm not happy. Kill the dog. The dog is happy. I'm not gonna. Oh, wait. Hot mocha. 6. Never mind that. 7, 6. Okay. Igor. Wait, what are you doing? What's wrong? Why are there so many girls? What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma? How many girls? Wait. Just like 1, 2, 3. You don't know Japanese? You don't know, meaning you don't. You meaning you? What you don't know what Japan? Hang on, I am already this place which I love. I, what does that mean? I'm not gonna say it, but I think it's a bad word. Sigma, Sigma. You're not making any sense anymore. I'm too confused. Can you just say you want to say English? Speak Filipino. Bro! Meaning everyone is a Philippines. Yeah, there's many Philippine players here. You know that? Know that? Cookies, cookie. Part 2. Why? Because I don't know why I cut it. I accidentally cut it. For another one, I have some bad news and still bring up. Bro! Why are you talking about still a brain rot? Why? Why are you talking about still a brain rot? 2 people left, but I came back. Bro, there's not 2 people. It's many. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people. Join ticket. This is part 2. There's another fake Annie over here. This one. It's not okay. I thought that was okay. Bro, they had the same hair with the signal. Is the girl lagging? Or I am what? Is the girl lagging? Is Annie lagging? I think everyone is recording right now. For real, me too. If you enjoyed my game, please like and favorite so I can get more viewers to play comedy. Okay, I would join your game. Okay, I'm not gonna read that, and I am not gonna read that. Okay, I invited. Okay, okay, let me invite everyone. Invite everyone. I'm literally inviting everyone. Dude, so many clicks. There we go. They all fall down. The eagle. Come to my place and build with me. I can understand. I get so golden here. Please help me to big building. I don't know. Understand. It's not an AI, right? It's not an AI. It's not AI. He can type fast. Hours on the desk. What the? I'm not gonna say that. It is the chicken sandwich. Because that's a bad word. I don't know why. Dude, what? Why is everyone saying this? Why? What is that word? Is it a meme? Yeah, I will join you, bro. If you visit my place and I help build it, you can make me famous. Yeah, you're gonna get famous when after we put this video. Snip, confused. I'm, well, I think there's gonna be a part 3. I'm silent lonely. Lonely. Okay, well. And I don't want to stuck in my room anymore. I just want to play outside. Why do you have school? Me, you get school. I want to get the yes my exam. Yes my exam. Yes my. I don't want to know my exam, but it's rare. Yay! For what? No, you cannot delete my game. Okay. Part 3. Because I don't want to get laggy. The cool tree house. Just wait. I'm gonna pee, and then you guys you can just watch over there. Okay, hey guys, can you see? Oh my god. These guys are 167. 67. I'm gonna on the driveway. Okay. This this is our original game, but everything it's pink. 1,000 malwares installed. Nah, that's fake. That's fake. Is it? It's fake, right? Nah, if it's real, my computer's dead. This is part 3. This is the last one. I don't know. Ashers, they fall down. I'm AFK on my computer. Dude, I'm literally holding my phone while I'm showing you guys this. You cannot escape Feta King Thunder. It's the house. Now it's normal. Yay, it's normal. Let me close the door. Well, I guess the door's not gonna lock. For cowards, not cover. What's that? At the Maori country, infect her avatar, try to. What does that even mean? Make it stop. Stop. Ashers. They fall down. It's hot in here. Okay, that it's hot in here. Is you know what does that mean? Do you see this house burning? I think that means Annie is proved as AI. Wow, so bro, what are you doing, bro? It's a myth. It's not a legend or a myth. Oh, bro, look all of these guys speak like ignore this. Try to. I really have to show you. Thank you so much. That's a heart. Yeah. But why are the chats are so brain rot? Bro, look, it says for Annie, can you join 6-7? Bro, so brain rot. I'm still holding my mouth. So signal. Yes, I'm so signal. Cynthia started to blur her pixelated version. I am real. I am real. Wait, this guy's died. This guy died. You're okay. I am not looking there. I am not looking there. That's a bad word. That's a bad word. Oh my god, your community is okay. I'm not gonna say that. For for, for and one. Dude, there's so many words I cannot even read. You can guys look at it. There's many. Oh. Alright, guys, I already invited all. I already invited all of them, and they're not going. I don't know why. For and I will come to you. I will type. Just wait. Hopefully, this is not gonna be hashtag. Yeah. Okay. I'll just say Annie because I know everyone knows her name. I say it. Using emotes. I'm using emotes. Yeah. For Anne tries to reply, but his voice cut off in violent great attack from the no for Anne one. Okay, the other guy is a fan. Curtis, shout out. Shout out to him. This guy, shout out. Shout out. Out to the dog. Not for and one not hearing me.
Laki ng boses.
For and one can feel the murmur pulling her apart. The pain is on her ever. I don't know why. I don't know. Wait. Is he a Filipino? Is he in the Philippines? Is that a fake one or I'm just imagining? I don't know. I think that's I don't know who's it's happy. Where's the original one? I think that's the it's hot in here. Not again. Wait a second. Foreign and one understands Filipino, meaning easy in my country, the Philippines? No way, no way, no way. Meaning this is a Philippines myth? My mom yells at me. Oh, Asian mom. Asian. It's originally an Asian. Asian. Oh my god, dude. Asian. Asian, bro. Asian. Because Asian has the strictest moms. Yeah, strictest mom. Like, freaking. Yeah, yeah. Why did I say a bad word? Okay, I'll not say bad words. No, I'm not gonna say bad words. No. Who go for one? Part 4. Dude, okay, I'm not. Wait, I'm not a bot, silly. I'm Annie. You just can I tell you a secret? Okay. Part 4.